I've just created this link tree so it's easier for you guys to contact me. You can do so through my Instagram or my crypto Twitter that I've just recovered. If you want to support me as a creator, you can do so over here and just send in a thank you message. I'm actually here making an update for you on the weekend. Just a little quick side note, I'm making an ebook for everyone to understand the terminologies that I use a little bit better. It will also be going through candlestick recognition as well as chart patterns, but also strategies not only that I was taught, but strategies that I completely came up with by myself just through experiencing things in the market. These are strategies that are taught in the mentorship and the course, which is again now permanently discounted 50%. If you want to take action, I've made a video that explains how you take action very easily at the end of this update. But if you want to just skip it, you can head over to the top right corner where there's an information button and you can take action contacting me or with no contact. So if you want to click the right in the right corner at the top, the information button, but also down in the description underneath this video in the comment section as well. It's pinned at the top. So continuing with Hbar, we can see that we are coming towards this golden pocket, something that we've been saying ever since up here. We were running up and we were saying that we are heading towards 30 cent. I still believe we're going towards 15, 20, 25 and 30 cent. There's just one thing that you must do to keep this all valid. The moment you lose this key level of support, 30 cents not happening anymore. But at the moment it still is, okay? The levels, which I mentioned over the last 2 weeks, are 5.5 to 6 cents. If we stay above 5.5 to 6 cents, which we are, we're right now at 6.5 cents. So as long as we stay above this golden box over here, there are high probability chances of going to, again, 10.5, 14.5, 20, 25 and 30 cent eventually. It doesn't mean it'll happen overnight. It doesn't mean we'll be there in 2 weeks. It doesn't mean we will be there in 1 month, okay? It just means in the future, at some point. Do not ask for, Louis, when is this going to happen? What is the price target in 2025? I always hate this because anyone that tells you price targets in the future, the targets itself could be right. The time frame is always wrong. Simply, when I started getting into here, I remember heavily into crypto. I remember BitBoy saying, "Oh, by Valentine's Day, 2020 or Valentine's Day 2021, Ethereum will be like $2,500," and it was nowhere near it, guys. So understand this, get it in your heads very quickly, that any single person, doesn't matter if they have 1 million followers, 1,000 followers, if they're putting a time frame on something, do not listen to them whatsoever. What is correct is the fib is giving you targets, not the time frame on these targets. The fibs are saying this is a target that will be met if a certain criteria can hold, and that is 5.5 to 6 cents. This golden pocket being held as support is so vital for bull market continuation, because I can actually officially say, and have been saying in the last updates, that with this weekly higher high for Hbar, it's entered a weekly bull market. And I know it sounds so stupid, we're below the high at the moment, we're below this area, but that's totally fine. I want to quickly show you this Bitcoin chart. Please do excuse me if it's covered in drawings, but okay, it wasn't too bad. But over here, back in January, right, this red candle over here, before we lost this week, all the way through December, November, when we got down here, November 2021, December 2021, I was constantly saying to everyone, this is when I didn't even have 1,000 subscribers. If you were here, then let me know in the comment section, because I know that a lot of you did take this call, and it was for free on the YouTube channel. But of course, out early for the people in the Discord chat the moment that I did get rid of my cryptos. So it was pretty much right there at 40,000. I was like, I'm out, guys. I'm out of crypto, simply because we lost this high low on the weekly time frame. Now, if I flip this upside down, just before doing so, I said that the bear market begins here, right there. All your Carl the Moons, your Coins Kids, your Cryptos, your favorite gurus, Crypto Anup, every single person possible was saying, you need to lose this as support to confirm the bear market. I did not care, guys. I'm looking for when the short term is changing. The short term is changing when you're losing your higher lows. You know, in the short term, we should be going up and up and up, because we got a low, and we got a higher low, and we got a high, and we got a higher high. So you just need to hold this high low, just like when we start coming down here. it was higher than this. We just need to be, as we're coming down here, higher than this. So you see this double bottom, if it happened directly in line with no bodies, you see this body lower than that wick. Well, if this body and that body, doesn't matter about the wicks, if the body and this body was above that wick, we would have gone up to 80, 90, 100k. But the moment we lost this higher low, I knew, okay, this is the weekly time frame. This is now meaning that, look here, look at the topping out process just here, guys. Come on. We get entered here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 weeks. That's over a month, guys. Here, we got up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Almost, let's go, 8. Basically 2 months, guys. Just to go from here to here. It didn't go anywhere. And that's in an uptrend. It's correcting in an uptrend. And it's going pretty much doing nothing for 2 months. So the fact that we lost this higher low, losing uptrend structure, I knew game over. So now that we go back to Hbar, hopefully I go on the right Hbar chart. There we go. Turn this chart upside down. Look, we've got a higher low. To keep this uptrend structure, we need to hold this higher low. If we want to lose this uptrend structure on the weekly time frame, put in a lower low, lower than this. Boom, lower low, lower than this. We reclaim it. It actually doesn't matter because if I go back to Bitcoin over here, we reclaimed it, but we didn't take out the high. So you can say the same thing. We reclaimed it, but we're not taking out the high yet. We need to take out the high. Let's go back to Hbar. Hbar's done so. So we need Bitcoin to get its butt cheeks above the 1 fib level, basically above this high. But it's great to see that Hbar is doing so, and no, it's not worrying that it's fallen back under, as I've shown you in the past with Bitcoin, where it went under and reclaimed, it still went lower. So yeah, there's going to be arguments. This is the same here. You lost the low, you're reclaiming it. This is just going to be lower than the high, but you've actually made a higher high. So you've invalidated that. So all you need to do now is put in a higher low, higher than this. I've given you the location, which is 5.5 to 6 cents. We're currently at 6.5 cents, holding support. But I want to mention that there is a level below at 4.5 cents. I know it's so annoying. There's another level. But what I would say is if you lose 5.5 cents, it pretty much means that for now, in the near short term, none of that is happening. Near short term doesn't mean next week, next month. It just means in the months to come, this year. So you want to see prices going up there in this next 1 year period, we need to stay above this. If in the next 1 year we're not going up there, we need to lose this and lose this. So if you want to go there in the short term, in a year time frame, I'm not saying in 1 year you'll be there. It could be in a few months. I'm just saying, because no one knows. This is why I'd rather not say, oh, it's going to be in April that we hit this. That's absolute garbage, guys. So never listen to anyone saying those sorts of things. It's garbage. Just that the only fact here is hold above the golden pocket. We're going to these. That's the only fact here. Lose the golden pocket, and the fact is you're not going up there anymore. Do you understand that? I hope it was totally clear today. If it's not, I can still teach you. I can help you one-to-one until you get it, guys. I'm here to help you guys achieve your financial goals, guys. If you want to do that, you need to take action, whether it's the course, the mentorship, and be part of my Discord group chat. Again, I'm going to make an ebook as well, really cheap. I think it's going to be about £15 for anyone to want to learn about the terminologies or some very simple strategies that are profitable. So that's pretty much it for today's update. Please, again, like, subscribe, and comment to bump the algorithm, guys. I really appreciate it if you could leave a comment, even if it's just an emoji, or to say how long you've been subscribed for. Were you here when I sold Bitcoin at 40,000? Let me know. Thank you guys so much. Again, like, subscribe, comment. I hope to see you in my Discord community. We're ever growing with 70 plus members now. My course is permanently discounted 50%. If you want to take action on the mentorship, I've got 2 slots open at the moment. Again, I'll sit with you one-to-one. I'll give you the course for free. I'll give you the chat for free. And I'll sit with you one-to-one for 10 slots, 10 1-hour slots, where we will make you into a self-sufficient trader. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope to see you in the community, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace. So I'll quickly show you guys how you take action, whether you want to support me or take action on a course or the mentorship. Simply hit this link tree over here on my homepage. It will then take you to over here where you can obviously just come from my YouTube. This is my crypto Twitter. I've just got it back, so help me reach 2,000 followers over there. I will be doing a 5,000 subscriber giveaway for my course over there. Free course giveaway will be on my crypto Twitter, so make sure you're following me there. I've just opened up an Instagram for anyone that's not on crypto Twitter, or not on Twitter, sorry. For those that just have Instagram, you can private message me over there to get started on the course or the mentorship. You do get the chat with both options as well. If you just want to support me as a creator, that's through here. But going back to my homepage, you can just simply click the Twitter button here, just to quickly go to Twitter, or you can click this section. Now, this section is a little bit different. Again, you can buy me a beer if you want. I know a lot of you have said that in the past. We're going to bookings over here. You can get the one-to-one mentorship, it goes through it, as well as the crypto course over here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you do like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll catch you in the next update. Peace.